about to eat. My mom fried this fish yesterday and it is catfish, so I am going to put some grease oil, we call it grease, in a frying pan, and I'm going to refry it so that it is not soggy and make it crispy again. And I am going to make a fish sandwich. So I am going to show y'all how I do that. So stay tuned. Crybaby, like I'm sitting here right now watching Grey's Anatomy, and it's season 15, episode 19, Silent All These Years, and it's a black woman and she's married and her husband beats her up and sexually assaults her. Like her whole body from neck down is bruised up. Her organs have moved up in her chest. She has to have surgery. He sexually assaulted her. They had to do a whole rape kit. And I know that this is a TV show, but this is real life. And it just pisses me off. It makes me so sad because it's like, we bring life into this world. We put our life on the line to bring life into this world. Women die every day having babies, and men treat women so badly. Like, it's so crazy to me. I don't understand it. Without us, there's no life. We make life. We bring life into this world. We put our life on the line to bring life into this world. Women don't get to see their babies being born. They die trying to have their babies, and men treat women this way. Like, I don't understand it. It makes me so sad to know that there are women that are going through this in real life, when we deserve to be completely respected, when we deserve to be treated like royalty. No woman deserves anything but the best from every man. Without us, there's nothing. We die bringing life into this world. Like, it's crazy to me how men treat women and what we go through being pregnant to bring life into this world, to know that there are women that die trying to bring life into this world. No man should ever beat a woman. No man should ever sexually assault a woman. Women should be respected to the utmost. I just had to say that watching this episode. It's a testimony to what women go through every day in this world. And no man should ever treat a woman like that. Without us, there's nothing. We pay the ultimate price to bring life into this world, to bring nasty ass piece of shit, woman, beater, rapist, murderers into this world. We do that to bring y'all sorry asses into this world. Y'all are not even worthy of what we go through to bring y'all sorry asses into this world. I don't know if this is going to be on a different day. I think I'm going to try to get it on yesterday's vlog because I just feel like I didn't really vlog that much yesterday. So it is Tuesday morning. Oof. And it is 11:35, and as much as I want to just get up in my bed right now, and yes, that's a Christmas tree staying up because it matches this room perfectly. I've talked about that. But I am gonna get up in bed and do a little bit of schoolwork, play a little bit of music while I'm doing some schoolwork because I didn't do any yesterday. I didn't do any Sunday. I don't know if I did any Sunday. So I'm gonna probably stay up for like another hour and do a little schoolwork. And then I'm gonna go to bed. Again, I wanted to do a face mask, but yeah, I'm gonna just sit up in bed, do a little bit of schoolwork. I'm gonna vlog a little bit of it, let my camera charge. I'm probably gonna vlog for like 20 minutes of it because I need to let my camera charge. But I'm gonna try to get in like 45 minutes or maybe an hour of doing some schoolwork. Then I'm gonna go to bed. I wanted to use my new camera that I got off Macari yesterday in the mail, but I didn't know that with DSLRs you have to have a lens to use it. So I tried to use it and I couldn't use it. And I reached out to the person I bought it from, and she's like, yeah, with DSLR cameras you have to have a lens, and I don't have a lens yet. So I got, which I was already working on getting a lens. I can't use it until I get a lens, and also I can't use the microphone yet. I have to buy another piece, a 3.5 mm jack. I had to get one of those and then I'll be able to use it. So I mean, there's quite a few things I need to buy. Definitely need to get those two things so that I can use the microphone and so that I can use the camera. But I'm working on that. I am gonna get on this homework and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm so sleepy, but I need to try to do a little bit of work. Not homework, but schoolwork. But let's get on the schoolwork. So we are up here at the Ford place. Cause y'all remember I told y'all a few weeks ago, Mama Dukes got in a car accident. And now she's finally gonna get a rental car, hopefully today. Got that one back there. He kind of sleepy, so he looked like he mad at the world. Fingers crossed she gets her rental car today, so that Skylar can finally get fixed.
Who?
Skylar, that's the name of the car. All the cars have a name. They know. They already know. You just don't know. Her name is Skylar because she's blue. I named all of the cars based on their colors. The black one, her name was Jade because she was black. So she had to be a badass girl. So her name was Jade. And the one before that name was Paris because she was like a luxury golden color.
Okay.
You have to name your cars because you have to treat them like humans, because if you don't, they're going to put you down. I talked to Skylar, let her know we love her, try not to piss her off so she don't put us out the road nowhere. You have to talk to things that you love because they'll put you down, especially a car.
Yeah.
You don't show your car no love, it ain't gonna show you no love, and when it don't show you no love, it's gonna put your ass down. Finally got a rental truck. SUV, but with everything that's going on, they didn't have any SUVs and they wouldn't have none until tomorrow. We have us a truck, but I love it though. And I name all the cars, so while we have it, the name is Hemingway because this is a masculine, manly truck. It's the first ever boy. All of our cars are girls, but this one I said it has to be a man. So Hemingway, that's the name I came up with because it masculine, strong man name. So meet Hemingway, our temporary rent-a truck. Her car is over there, the blue SUV. We're gonna turn that in tomorrow to get fixed. So this will be what we're driving until Skylar over there, the blue SUV, gets fixed. She's going to the shop in the morning. So Hemingway. So we renamed the truck. Denzel Hemingway is the name of this. This is Denzel Hemingway. My cousin said it didn't sound right with just Hemingway, and he picked Denzel, so it's hyphenated. Denzel Hemingway. Strong, black, manly truck. This is the rental until Skylar gets fixed. We take Skylar to the shop tomorrow morning. So until then, Denzel Hemingway. I love it. It's amazing. This is the back seat. And they washed it and cleaned the inside. They kind of half-assed it, but they were in a hurry because they were closing and we were the last customers. But it smells really good. My mom put her handicap thing in here. Nice big bed. I love it. Like, I like this better than I do the SUVs. Don't tell Skylar that because she gonna get mad. But after riding this thing, I'm in love with Denzel Hemingway. Love him. First male vehicle. All of our vehicles are girls, but but this couldn't be a girl because it's black and it's masculine, and so this is the first boy. I love Denzel Hemingway. Need some bigger tires though. Need some. It didn't need the rims to be blacked out, but it's a rental truck though. But you know, I wouldn't mind my mama getting a truck like this, but not a Dodge, a Chevy or a Ford. But this is very nice. I love it, and it's very smooth. Yeah, Denzel Hemingway. Love it. Okay. Go in the house because we've been out for way too long. Okay, it is 9:21 p.m. and that's the flashlight from my phone because it's dark in my room because I'm about to lay down. I have been up for, when I get up, I've been up since like 11 p.m. last night, so I've been up for almost 24 hours and it's been a crazy day. I am so exhausted. I will get into details. I mean, I vlogged a little bit of it, but I will get into details a little bit more tomorrow on the craziness from today. I need some sleep now, so I am going to go to bed because we are taking mom's car to get it fixed tomorrow. She got a rental car today and that was like a whole ordeal. I've been waiting for her to get the parts that she needed to get her car fixed. We were waiting for the shop where we're gonna take the car to get the car fixed. I mean, it's nothing major. A lot of people can look at the car and they don't see that there's anything wrong with it, but if you look at it really closely, but you know, when you're going through the insurance company, I'm not going to get into the details of that part, but and then they had to order the part. They got it today, so it was a whole ordeal to get the rented car. We got it, so in the morning we're going to take her car to the shop and let them get it fixed, or let them fix it. But you know, I'll get into that a little bit more. Like I said, I'm not going to get into the details on what happened, just the craziness of today. I'll get into the details. I'm going to call it a night. I was falling asleep watching TV, and when I get to that point, I know it's time for me to go to sleep. I don't like falling asleep. I don't like taking naps. Excuse me. It's definitely time for me to lay down. So I will see y'all tomorrow, and I will definitely vlog us taking the car. Skylar, that's the name of the car, and the rent-a-car name is, what did I name it? It's Denzel. It's actually on my phone. Hold on, I know it just got dark, but wait, hold on. Yeah, Denzel Hemingway. That is the name of the rent-a-car. Rent-a-truck. It's a truck. I'm too tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I will take y'all along with me tomorrow. Good night, and I will see y'all tomorrow, Wednesday.